Hello guys, I'm Jason and this is my little dog Shappy. And this is his toy. So, I'm gonna show you my dog because this is my first video and I'll try the best that I can do. So, I'm gonna play with Shappy. 3, 2, 1, look at that. And now, look, he's running from me, so that is really funny. Shappy. Okay, this is his house. Shappy. Good boy. Oh, good boy. Lay down, lay down, lay down, lay down. Lay down, Shappy. Good boy. Now, get it. Very good boy. So, now I'm gonna show you. Come, Shappy. Shappy, come. So, I'm gonna show you how is my Shappy dog trying to find his own toy under his own bed. So, here's the tip. Wait, Shappy, wait. Sorry guys. Now, let's see. He's so funny, isn't he? Oh my God, what is he doing? Oh, this is my dog. Dog.
I'm your dog.
My dog, sorry guys. What? He can't find it. I said my dog, oh my God. Oh. He needs my help. He needs my help. He needs my help. Okay. Get it? This is your toy. Okay? And it is going right there down. Find it. Oh, good boy. Good boy. Good boy, Shappy. Come on, you can do it. Very good boy. Very good boy. So, that's my dog. Okay, guys. Bye. Be sure to like, to subscribe. Okay, and that's that. And that was Shappy time. Like.